फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय टुडेस वीडियो। आप सभी के लिए लेकर चुका हूँ आज मैं ये वीडियो जिसका टाइटल है द जॉयज ऑफ बीइंग इन द लैप ऑफ नेचर। इसमें मैं आप सभी को नेचर के कुछ एडवांटेजेस बताऊंगा कि नेचर हमें कैसे कैसे हेल्प करता है। अगर आपने अभी तक मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो वो कर दीजिए, साथ में कर दीजिए इस वीडियो को लाइक, उस बेल आइकन को भी आप सभी दबा देना ताकि आपको मेरी वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन सबसे पहले मिले। अब देखिए, ये होने वाला एक ऐसे जो कि अगर आप नेचर को ग्लोरीफाई करना चाहते हो तो आप ये ऐसे को अपनी नोटबुक में लिख सकते हैं या बोल भी सकते हैं अपने स्कूल में। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। नेचर इज आवर मदर एंड इफ इट इज टू बी कमांडेड it must be obeyed. Nature binds truth, happiness, and virtue together as if by an insoluble chain, but man's ignorance of his immortal nature is the only source of his happiness. Ever since his appearance on this planet, man has been using the priceless gift of the nature without restraint. Nature had been suffering because of thoughtless human intervention in its recycling process for hundreds of years. Nature has, through the ages, cast a spell on man. From the ancient India rishis who meditated in caves and dipped in the holy water to the modern heroes of Everest, expedition, and navigator, all have been facilitated by the glory of nature. The human mind has been particularly sensitive and receptive to the charm of nature. The poets of nature are glowing testimonies of it. The call of the nature is perennial and irresistible. It provides a pleasure resort, but at the same time, it is a challenge. Man has broken the harmonious relationship with nature which has prevalent in the previous years. In the ultimate analysis, the problem of natural degradation reduces itself to the question of reordering the relationship that has so far existed among the economic needs of man, the technological progress, and the nature. In his mad race of power and prosperity, with a feeling of shock and horror, man is now aware of the fact that nature and its resources are vast but limited. Let's all make a joint venture to make the nature as pure as before and try to maintain the immortal relationship of mother and son between nature and man. So friends, आज की वीडियो के लिए इतना ही। मैं आप सभी को मिलूंगा नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। इस वीडियो को पूरा देखने के लिए थैंक्स।